Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to take a screenshot in iPhone using back tap. To add this feature or function in your iPhone, you need to follow some steps. For that, first of all, open the settings and hit on the accessibility and then go through the touch. Then you will see back tap at the end of the page. Hit on that and select double tap. Now select screenshot. Now if you double tap on the back side of your screen, then screenshot will be taken. It is a very easy step. You just need to tap very quickly double time on the back side of your screen. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.